why AI is the best partner for modern affiliate marketer. Every successful affiliate marketer has one thing in common. That is, they don't do everything alone. They use system, they use tools, and today they use AI, not as a replacement for hard work, but as the smartest partner the digital world has ever created. In this video, I show you why AI is the #1 partner for modern affiliates marketers and how it can multiply your content, your speed, your ideas, and your income, even if you are still a beginner. Section 1. AI remove the hardest part, thinking from scratch. The hardest part of affiliate marketing is not posting, rather, it's thinking. What do I post today? How do I explain this product? What will make people click my link? How do I create a script? AI solves all those. With tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and others, you can instantly generate video ideas, scripts, outlines, product breakdowns, email sequences, social caption, landing page copy. AI helps you think clearer, faster, and smarter, so you never sit confused or stuck again. Section number 2. AI helps you create content 3 to 10 times faster. The affiliate winners today are the ones producing more content, not the ones waiting for perfect ideas. AI helps you turn one idea into 10 scripts, convert long scripts into short, rewrite your content for different platforms, create optimized titles, descriptions, hashtags, and improve the clarity and flow of your message. Speed is a success factor today. AI gives you that speed. Section number 3. AI makes your content more professional. AI upgrades your output in ways that even experts struggle with manually. AI can fix your grammar, strengthen your message, simplify complex ideas, make persuasive copy, create product comparison, structure your content like a pro. Your video starts sounding polished. Your video starts looking intentional. You stop feeling like a beginner because AI makes you produce like a professional. Section number 4. AI helps you understand your audience. Affiliate marketing is not about posting. It's about posting what people actually want. AI can analyze audience questions, trending topics, Google and YouTube search patterns, pinpoint what similar channels are doing, what your viewers respond to. So instead of guessing, you start creating content that is demand driven, which increases your clicks, your watch time, and your conversions. Section number 5. AI automate the affiliate workflow. Most beginners quit because they feel overwhelmed, but AI reduces the workflow. AI can help you automate keyword search, SEO optimization, email sequences, captions and subtitles, product reviews, social media posts, lead nurturing and chatbots, funnel and landing pages. Even if you are a one-man team, AI gives you the power of a full digital marketing agency. AI doesn't replace your efforts, it multiplies it. It takes what you already have, that is your voice, your passion, your ideas, and simply amplify them. If you use AI consistently, you can go from struggling with content to producing daily effortlessly. From guessing what to post to creating content that your audience actually wants. This is why today AI is the best partner for every modern affiliate marketer. Subscribe to this channel. Click the link in bio for more updates. Rooting for your success story.